Are you tired of watching your savings sit idle in a low-interest account? Are you looking for a way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future? If so, investing in stocks may be the solution you've been searching for. While it may seem intimidating at first, investing in stocks is an accessible and exciting way to potentially build wealth over time. In this guide, we'll answer all of your burning questions about investing in stocks as a beginner, including how to get started, what to look for in a stock, and some tips to help you succeed. But before diving into more about that, let me first welcome you aboard for this episode of Finance Arc. On this channel, we set sail on a journey into the vast realm of financial matters, where we guide you through every step of the process and assist you in navigating the challenging world of finance, from simple budgeting advice to more advanced investing strategies. So grab your life vest and get aboard the Finance Arc. Investing in stocks can seem daunting for beginners, but it can be a simple and rewarding experience with the right knowledge and guidance. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in stocks as a beginner. First, educate yourself. A stock market is essentially a place where ownership stakes in publicly traded businesses are bought and sold. This marketplace can be affected by a number of variables, including the financial success of a company, market trends, and even world events. It's important to keep these factors in mind when investing in stocks. Different investment strategies are suited for different investment objectives and risk tolerances. For instance, value investing involves buying stocks that are undervalued by the market and have the potential for long-term growth. On the other hand, income investing involves buying stocks that provide regular income through dividends. Now, how do we go about researching and analyzing stocks? It's important to read financial data, business news, and analyst reports to get a better understanding of a company's financial health, growth potential, and industry trends. This knowledge can help you make informed investment decisions. As beginners, it's important to educate ourselves on the stock market before diving in. By doing so, we can make wise investment choices and reach our financial objectives. What about you guys? Have you invested in the stock market before? What has been your experience? Let me know in the comments below. Second, determine your investment goals. Determining your investment goals is a crucial first step in investing in stocks. This involves figuring out whether you're investing for long-term growth or short-term gains, which will greatly impact the type of stocks you invest in and the amount you invest. Long-term investors typically focus on buying stocks in companies with strong fundamentals and are willing to hold on to their investments for an extended period, often 5 years or more. This strategy is beneficial for those who have longer investment horizon and want to reap the benefits of compounding over time. On the other hand, short-term investors focus on market trends and news to make quick profits and typically buy and sell stocks within days or weeks. This strategy is ideal for those who have a shorter investment horizon and are comfortable taking on higher risks for potentially higher rewards. Once you've established your investment objectives, it's important to think about how much money to put into certain equities. Experts recommend allocating no more than 5% to 10% of your portfolio to individual stocks, with the other 80% to 90% of your portfolio being diversified among bonds and mutual funds. By spreading out the risk, this diversification lessens the impact of losses on your portfolio. So, when it comes to investing, it's crucial to be aware of your investing and carefully weigh how much to invest. By doing so, you can make wise investment decisions and reach your financial goals. Third, choose a brokerage. Choosing the right brokerage is a crucial step in your journey towards investing in stocks. When it comes to choosing a brokerage, there are several factors you need to consider. First and foremost, you want to look at the fees charged by the brokerage. Fees can significantly impact your profits over time, so it's important to find a brokerage with low fees. But fees aren't the only factor to consider. You also want to look at the educational resources provided by the brokerage. Do they offer articles, webinars, and tutorials to help you understand the stock market better? Having access to these resources can help you make informed investment decisions and improve your overall performance. Another important consideration is the user-friendliness of the brokerage's platform. Is it easy to navigate? Does it provide access to essential information, such as stock charts and news? A user-friendly platform can help you save time and enable you to make better investment decisions. Lastly, customer support is crucial when it comes to choosing a brokerage. What happens if you have questions or need help with a transaction? You want to make sure the brokerage provides excellent customer support and is there to assist you when you need it. By taking the time to choose the right brokerage, you can have confidence in your investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start researching your options and finding the brokerage that works best for you. Fourth, open a brokerage account. Now, before you get started with any brokerages, it's crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions. Take the time to review the fees charged by the brokerage as well as any restrictions or limitations on trading. This will help you avoid any surprises later on and ensure that you're comfortable with the brokerage's policies. In addition to fees and restrictions, it's also important to consider the security measures offered by the brokerage. After all, you're entrusting them with your personal information and hard-earned money. Look for a brokerage that offers two-factor authentication and encryption to ensure that your account is secure. But let's not forget that investing in stocks involves risk, and you should be prepared to potentially lose money. That's why having a sound investment strategy is so important. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes can help you minimize risk and increase your chances of success. By taking the time to find the right brokerage and developing a solid investment strategy, you can make informed investment decisions and work towards achieving your financial goals. So don't wait any longer. Take the fourth step and open a brokerage account today. Fifth, research stocks. Researching stocks is essential to making informed investment decisions. It's crucial to research stocks that align with your investment goal to ensure you make informed investment decisions. How do you determine whether a stock is a good fit for your portfolio? You analyze the company's financial statements, news, and analyst reports. It's crucial to assess financial performance by looking at factors such as revenue, earnings, and cash flow. And don't forget to keep track of trends over time. But that's not all. Staying up to date with company news such as product launches and management changes is also critical. And last but not least, analyst reports can provide valuable insights into a company's prospects and risks. So are you doing your research? Are you making informed investment decisions? If not, it's time to take the plunge and start investing with confidence. Now that you have done your research and made informed investment decisions, it's time to take the plunge and start investing. Sixth, start investing and diversify. Diversification is key when investing in stocks to minimize risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio across different industries and sectors to spread out the risk. Monitor your investments regularly, track individual stock performance, and stay up to date with news and developments related to your investment. This will help you make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your investment goals. Always be aware of your investment goals and risk tolerance to minimize risk and achieve long-term investment success. Start investing today and watch your wealth grow. Investing in stocks can seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and approach, it can be a rewarding journey towards financial success. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for success in the stock market and pave the way for a brighter financial future. So don't be afraid to take that first step and start investing in stocks today. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Subscribe to our channel for more tips on savings and investments. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's grow our wealth together. Stay tuned.